It takes a lot of footage to create an ambitious project like our Eureka Springs culinary landscape video. The concept involves a number of key FPV drone shots like this one that we captured at the top of the Pine Mountain Fire Tower. The shot called for a couple of models, so I volunteered with the love of my life, Soraya, and we had a little romantic hike to the top of the tower right at sunset. Fellow producer and technical mastermind Edward C. Robinson took his Cine Lifter FPV drone up and flew around and got some amazing footage. We're going to premiere that footage with the actual final cut of the video, but we did have a moment to get this little sort of ultimate selfie shot. The Cine Lifter drone that he used in this shot is one of many hand-built and purpose-built drones in his arsenal, and it is much bigger than the drones that you've seen in the previous videos that I've made about this project, and it can carry a much larger camera. It is also blazing fast, and I did get a few selfies from my actual camera. We did it for the gram. Adorable. Stay tuned for more Eureka Scene.